Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Nana's Food World. You are all welcome. Today I'm taking you right to Ghana. Okay, this is one of Ghana's favorite salted fish. I use it in most of my recipes. Okay, and I'm going to show you how to do it. It's quite expensive to buy it here at my end. Okay, it's very expensive to buy, so it's quite good to do it yourself if you have time to do it, really, but it doesn't really take a lot of time. All that you need is just fish and salt. That is all that you need, you see, so you can be able to do that. Right, so you are all welcome. So what I have here, I have tilapia. That's a tilapia fish. What I've done, I've washed it and I've cleaned it nicely and I've patted it dry. So what I have here, I have my bowl. This is the bowl, sorry, just a minute. This is the bowl that I'm keeping my fish in. I've put salt in it already, just at the bottom of the bowl. You have to use sea salt, okay? It's better to use sea salt. So I have sea salt, a lot of sea salt that I'm going to put into this fish. So let's get started. So I've cleaned this, as you can see. I'm going to put a lot of salt everywhere, really. The fish things everywhere, because what the salt is going to do is extract all the fluid from it. When I keep it, I'm just putting a lot of salt in there. So really more salt, and because I put salt right here, so just look at that. I've placed it on the salt in there. So I'm going to do it for the rest of the fish. As you can see, I've arranged my fish there filled with salt. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to put a lot of salt on it. So guys, as you can see here, I've got all my tilapia salted nicely. You need to cover it with a sack. Okay, so what I have here, I don't have a sack, that's my onion sack, so I just put that there just to cover it. And then I am going to cover it again with my old tea towel. So I'll put that in. Okay, yeah, so this I'm going to put this outside, okay, depending on the weather, but I think the weather is good because you're in summer, so I'm taking advantage of the weather. So I'm going to put that out, okay, for it will take about 3 to 5 days, okay, and I'll keep you updated. So guys, I want to give you an update of our salted tilapia. Okay, so it's been 3 full days. All right, and as you can see here, it's really quite tough. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to now dry it because it's a bit moist. Okay, so I'm going to dry that. I'll put that in the sun and then I'll give you an update again. So guys, this is our salted fish. As you can see here, I've taken the salt out. It's like really back home. It's hard, and oh my goodness, I'm so happy with the outcome. Okay, so it means that you can do it yourself. If you have the sunshine on your side in summer, I know that this one I will spend about more than £40 if I go to the shop to buy this. But if you do it yourself, I just bought the fish, which is about 7.99 is about £8, and then I can make that. So yeah, so it's very easy to do. You can see that it's very hard. Okay, let me just cut it and show you what really it looks like. You see, it's nice and dry. Okay, that is a very good Koobi in Ghana. Okay, so if you like this recipe, please give me a thumbs up. Okay, and please subscribe to my channel. Do put on your post notification so that when I put up a new video, you will be notified. Just try this and you will love it if you put it in a lot of recipes. All right, thanks. May God bless you. Bye.